All right, YouTubes. I just got off work, came by the house. There's an Amazon delivery, and I just put it in the truck, and check it out. Dan Whittles got me a new set of knee pros. Bro, that's so freaking nice. I'm gonna go bust these out on this job. I gotta go look at a true reach-in next. And my old ones were so blown out, and now I got a freshy pair. Dude, thank you so much. Oh, let's grab a water for the ride. I'll take you guys over there. Dan, thank you so much, man. Bro, that was really freaking cool, man. Thank you. Really nice. Appreciate it 1,000,000%. Let's go check out this service call. They're wrenching on the telephone lines up there. Okay, there. Totally iced up coilotitis. There it is. Oh yeah. Yep. Compacted, check. Logo. Usual suspects. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's get her cleaned up. All right, so I'm going to town on this one. De-ice coil. You got to de-ice coil before you can do anything. I changed the thermostat out because it was old. Got the coil wash, and it's way low on gas. You can tell it's had leaks before because of the bullet valves. So let's see if it'll take a charge and do anything. Yeah, that one, 1995. Tecumseh, good stuff. That was good stuff. Original recipe right there. Maiden voyage. All right, there it is. A nice little service call downtown. 10 million apartments going up right there. That'll be great. Off to the next one. All right, so that's a look at, we got a huge homeless problem here in Santa Cruz. It's the same as like San Francisco. That dude there, I said a few words to him because I didn't want him breaking into the van and stealing my shit. And I had nowhere else to park. And that's the way it goes out here. So he wanted a bottle of water. I gave him a bottle of water, and then I started chatting with him. And I asked him, how'd you get out here? And he goes, I'm a traveler, I'm schizophrenic, and I'm homicidal. His words, straight out of his mouth. Oh, look, Rivian. Oh, my electric truck. Oh, sniff my farts to save the planet. Whee!